Hello, I am Arielka Borges, and this podcast is about the earthquake in Venezuela. There are moments in life when the ground beneath our feet suddenly stops being firm, when the earth trembles as it happened in Venezuela. It isn't just walls that shake or concrete that cracks. Our sense of security staggers, raw vulnerability comes to the surface, and fear whispers just how fragile we truly are. Author Haruki Murakami once wrote, "Once the storm is over, you won't remember how you made it through, how you survived. You won't even be sure whether the storm is really over. But one thing is certain. When you come out of the storm, you won't be the same person who walked in." And it will confront us with a painful paradox. In a single second, everything material can crumble. Yet at the exact same time, something emerges that no tremor can ever tear down. In the midst of panic, the human instinct was not isolation, it was an outstretched hand. It was the eyes of a stranger asking, "Are you okay?" An impromptu embrace in the middle of the street, a shoulder offered to bear someone else's anguish. On a psychological level, fear can either paralyze us or transform us. The real motivation to become a better person isn't born on quiet days. It springs from the memory of our shared fragility. It reminds us that while we cannot control the moving of the earth, we hold total control over the architecture of our empathy. Being a better person today means not waiting for the ground to shake again to cherish the ones we love. It means understanding that true shelter isn't for walls, but our mutual care for one another. It's turning shock into sensitivity and fear into daily solidarity. If the earth moves, let it serve to rearrange the priorities of our souls. Let it teach us to let go of pre-rush, to hold each other tighter, and to build bridge where distance also to divide us. Because in the end, the ground might crack, but dignity, compassion, and the strength of a helping heart remain unshakable. Be the steady embrace someone needs in their own personal earthquake today. Goodbye.